Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss all about a brand new Rocky 10.1. I'm going to install the system for you guys to watch and learn and observe how it's done and the look and feel of it. And while I do that, I will share some thoughts and some ideas about this new update. Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss all about a brand new Rocky 10.1. I'm going to install the system for you guys to watch and learn and observe how it's done and the look and feel of it. And while I do that, I will share some thoughts and some ideas about this new update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Rocky Linux 10.1 release, and there's a lot here for system admins, developers, and anyone running production workloads. Let's jump right in. The biggest headline feature in 10.1 is the new systemd soft reboot. This allows you to reboot only the user space instead of doing full system restarts. In many cases, this means that you can apply patches much faster and avoid long downtimes. For production environments, that's a huge win. Just keep in mind, soft reboots have limitations depending on your workloads. So definitely read the official docs before relying on them in live deployments. Security also gets a major upgrade when expanded post-quantum cryptography support. Rocky Linux 10.1 builds on the work from version 10.0 by prioritizing post-quantum algorithms in OpenSSL and enabling these algorithms across more libraries and security policies, including GNU-TLS and others. It's a solid step forward towards future-proofing encryption on the platform. Storage users, especially XFS fans, will like this next part. You can now scrub mounted XFS file systems using the XFS scrub command. Scrubbing your file system means scanning it for errors and fixing or at least reporting any inconsistencies that could lead to data corruption. And in certain scenarios, you can even shrink XFS file systems with the XFS GRFS command. It's not something you'll use every day, but having that kind of flexibility is extremely useful when managing large data volumes. On the development side, Rocky Linux 10.1 ships with a big refresh of toolchains and runtimes. That includes updated versions of .NET 10, Node.js 24, OpenJDK 25, and Volkey 8, giving developers access to modern and stable environments. Compilers toolsets also get upgraded: GCC 15, Go 1.2.4, LLVM 20, and Rust 1.8.8. More features, better performance, and improved optimizations all around. Before hitting general availability, this release went through 2 weeks of intensive testing, both manual and automated, across different configurations. This kind of thorough Q&A is exactly why Rock Linux continues to be such a trusted RHCL compatible distribution. If you are already running Rock Linux 10, upgrading is super simple. Just do sudo dnf-y upgrade. Or you can use the GNOME software or KDE Discover if you prefer the GUI route. But if you are still on 8 or 9, remember that Rock Linux does not support major version upgrades. You'll need a fresh install. Rock Linux 10.1 is available now for multiple architectures, along with live ISO images that come pre-installed with GNOME or KDE Plasma. Everything's available on the official download page, link down below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and the install process for enjoyment on this, I don't know how long this video will be, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe less. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, hype, and comment. Much more to come. Any questions, put them down below, and I'm quite happy to answer them as always. Once again, like, subscribe, hype, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.